So for 2027, same exact problem, except now we're going to compound continuously. So the key here is continuously. So just like before, our rate was 6.25%, which as a decimal is 0.0625. We still don't know the original amount, but we know that we want to double our money, right? So now this just looks just a little different. The formula when it's compounded continuously is going to be, we use this thing, I always say it's the PERT formula, right? And so our final amount is the principal invested, the number E raised to the RT. Now remember that E is approximately 2.71. That's Euler's number, but your calculator will have it in there. It's like pi, but it's E, okay? So to change this equation, what I really want is A times E raised to the RT is equal to 2A. Again, if I divide both sides by A, the A's cancel, and I get E to the RT is equal to 2. All right, well, what's R? 0.0625 times T should equal 2. So again, if I want to find out what value for T, in other words, how much time will it be before I double my money, I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to come into my calculator and I'm going to change the first function. Now I'm going to zoom out so you can see where all these buttons on your calculator are. The E is this number right here where natural log is. Remember that E, an exponential function, is the inverse of the natural log. So if I hit second E, it'll automatically put E and then raise it to a power. So then I'm going to put in 0.0625 x times x, close the parentheses, and now I'm just going to come back to the graph and see where the two intersect. And you might say, well, Mr. Adams, it doesn't change much. Well, it does a little bit. So again, I'm going to hit second, calc, come down to my intersect option, get the cursor as close as I can to the intersection for all. It'll say first curve, second curve, guess. And now it's 11.09, which if you round off is still 11.1. But it's a little bit sooner, okay? So now the time is, T is approximately 11.09. So it's a little different. Okay? And what does that 11.09 represent? Years.